Maintain a clear channel from the soffit to the attic to ensure continuous airflow and prevent insulation from blocking intake vents. For effective soffit baffle clearance, follow the thumb rule of keeping a clear channel of 2 to 3 inches from the soffit inlet up into the attic space so air can move freely along the underside of the roof sheathing. Install a baffle in every rafter bay at the soffit. Choose rigid foam or plastic baffles that keep insulation from sagging into the vent pathway and fasten them near the top and bottom so they stay upright. When adding or topping up insulation, cut it back so the insulation face stops at least 2 to 3 inches below the bottom edge of the roof sheathing rather than tucking it into the eaves. This prevents compression of the intake path and preserves the claimed insulation R value. Check that soffit vents are not partially obstructed by paint, debris, or enclosed trim by removing visible blockages and using a wire or the tip of a screwdriver to clear small gaps. Balance intake with exhaust by confirming your ridge vent or other exhausts provide equal or greater net-free vent area than your soffits, so air flows through the attic rather than short-circuiting. Use a simple smoke test by generating a small plume of smoke at the soffit while watching at the ridge to verify continuous flow and adjust baffle spacing or insulation placement if the smoke stalls. 3 common mistakes cause failures: insulating right up to the roof deck, which chokes the intake, installing baffles too sparsely or not fastening them so they fall, and providing insufficient exhaust capacity so air does not move through the attic. If insulation blocks the intake, pull back or add a spacer so there is a 2 to 3 inch channel and reseat the barrier to maintain effective R value. If baffles are missing or loose, install a baffle in every rafter bay and secure it at top and bottom with nails or screws so it cannot collapse. If exhaust is undersized, increase ridge vent area or add additional powered or passive exhausts, so intake and exhaust are balanced and airflow is continuous. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information specific to attic ventilation and soffit work. We also host a discussion community where we share real job experiences and practical tips so contractors can find work and homeowners can learn what to expect.